Hey everyone, this is Pavitra from Potion Fitness. Today I'm going to show you how to make moisturizers and lip balm at home, and this is something that you can use for babies or adults or whoever it is. If you know how easy and simple it is to make these moisturizers and lip balm at home, most of the cosmetic companies would just go shut. And this doesn't have any parabens or phthalates or petroleum products or any other artificial things, just natural things. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. I'm going to show more of these kind of DIY videos and food videos, and there's a postpartum fitness video that's coming soon. The most simplest moisturizer is either coconut oil or sesame oil, depending on your skin type and also the kind of place that you live. But if you need something a little more than coconut oil or sesame oil, we're going to make something at home. I'll show you what are the things that are needed for that. Just simple 3 things. One is beeswax. You'll be able to get this either in a farmer's market or online. I got this from a farmer's market, or if you know any beekeeper, you should be able to get from them as well, beeswax. And this is cocoa butter. You can either use cocoa butter or shea butter. I got this cocoa butter from a grocery store here. And then we have our coconut oil. You can either use coconut oil or almond oil or olive oil, that's up to you. And I have a few essential oils here that I need to give a fragrance. If you don't want any fragrance, it's totally fine too. I have lemon and spearmint that I'm going to use for lip balm. I have geranium and rose that I'm going to use for the moisturizer for my baby cream. So we'll make baby cream first. So for that we need 1/4 cup of beeswax. I'm going to double boil this in this vessel, 1/4 of this, and then we have 1/4 of the cocoa butter, just a rough measurement, and we're going to put this for double boiling. Okay, let it boil and let it melt. Meanwhile, we're going to get our coconut oil. So it just started melting. Beeswax is going to take a little longer to melt than cocoa butter, so let it melt fully. So now it's kind of fully melted. Now we're going to add the same amount of coconut oil into this. Let it mix a bit. Now it's fully melted. If you would like to add some almond oil, this is the time where you should add. And now we're going to add some essential oil onto this. So I'm going to add a few drops of geranium oil. And maybe a drop or 2 of rose oil. That's it. And now you have to just take it off and let it cool. Now we're going to transfer it into the bottle that we need, and when it starts cooling, you have to keep mixing it a bit, otherwise the coconut oil and the beeswax might get separated. So just mix it a bit, that way you get a nice moisturizer consistency. And that's it for our baby cream. So the next one is a lip balm, and for that what we're going to do is just take 1 teaspoon of beeswax and 1 teaspoon of cocoa butter. I've put both of that in this and I'm double boiling it. Once this one melts fully, now I'm going to add a little bit of coconut oil. maybe half a teaspoon. If you like almond oil, you can just feel free to put that instead of coconut oil. And we're gonna add either spearmint or lemon oil. That's because that's the flavor I like. If you don't want any fragrance, that's totally fine too. If you'd like to add color, you can add beetroot powder. You can either buy it from the store, or you can dehydrate the beetroot and then make it at home itself. And just give it a good stir. I'm gonna switch it off. Add the essential oil. And then transfer it to the kind of container that you want your lip balm into. If you'd like in like tubes, you can put it in that now. I'm going to put it into a glass jar now. And I'm not adding any color. This is a baby cream that we made. It's kind of already solidified. The main difference between our baby cream and lip balm is just that this lip balm will be a little more solid and baby cream will be a little more liquid for the ease of application. And you need a wee bit, and a little goes a long way. And if you look at it, it's already solidified and you just have to mix it nicely so you get that consistency of a nice thick cream. And if you don't like it so thick, you can feel free to add a little more of almond oil or coconut oil. That's it. So the baby cream is ready and the lip balm is getting set. Nice thick baby cream, and you can just take this much. Oh, that's too much. Just about this much, and then you can spread it till here. So a little will go a long way, and so this will definitely last a little longer than what you think it would. This is our lip balm that is already set. If you look at it, this is slightly more thicker than baby cream. So just feel free to take it a little bit and apply it on your lips. I can very proudly say that I've not used any commercial baby products on both my kids, and this is the only thing that I use for both of them.